60% of the world's population lives along coastal waters. Under these conditions, seawater and brackish groundwater desalination has become the best source of water for semi-desert and desert regions across the planet. In Mexico, one of the countries with the biggest water scarcity problems in the world, the government's commitment to environmental protection, sustainability, and the application of cutting-edge technologies in water treatment is crucial. The municipality of Guaymas is located in the central area of the Sonora State coast. It has a territorial area of more than 12,000 square kilometers, equivalent to 7% of the state's territory. As in most of the country, the low rainfall levels in Guaymas mean the availability of drinking water depends on the use of non-conventional technologies. The project, executed in a public-private partnership, contemplates the provision of the drinking water supply services to the municipalities of Guaymas and Empalme by means of the seawater uptake and desalination systems, treatment, channeling and delivery of 200 liters per second, including the construction, procurement, commissioning, and operation and maintenance over a 20-year period. The project involves a seawater intake system using 7 beach wells located near the coast, with a depth of 100 meters each and with an average extraction flow rate of 80 liters per second. The seawater will be pumped to the reverse osmosis desalination plant, where it will be treated to make it drinkable in compliance with the applicable local drinking water regulations. Prior to the reverse osmosis process, the water will be filtered on a sand bed where all suspended solids that the water could contain will be separated. In addition, the pre-treatment process will be complemented with a safety microfiltration process using cartridge filters. Once the seawater that can be desalinated is obtained, it will be pumped to the reverse osmosis membranes using high-pressure pumps. Approximately 45% of the water pumped to the osmosis frame will have a very low concentration of salts, so it will be necessary to remineralize it with carbonates. The remaining 55% of seawater and the salts that have been rejected by the membranes in the reverse osmosis process, commonly called brine, will pass on to the energy recovery system, where approximately 96% of its energy in the form of high-pressure energy will be transmitted to the desalination process to continue producing more desalinated water. Production, energy efficiency, and sustainable with the environment. Once the energy has been recovered from the wastewater, it will be discharged into the sea using an outfall with a length of 1.3 kilometers. The discharge point will be located at the end of the outfall, 600 meters from the coast, which has been designed using special valves so that the brine is fully diluted under any operating condition of the desalination plant, thus avoiding any type of impact on the marine environment. Finally, due to its high purity, desalinated water will be treated in the remineralization process, in which the necessary salts will be added by adjusting its alkalinity and hardness to optimum levels, making it suitable for human consumption. Drinking water is stored in tanks, which are installed in a specific space at the facilities, and which have 37,000 cubic meters capacity, equivalent to the 2-day production of the desalination plant. Drinking water is pumped from this tank through a pipeline with a length of over 11 kilometers to the Carcamo main C1 tank, from which it is supplied to Guaymas and Empalme. The new Guaymas and Empalme SWDP reverse osmosis desalination plant will have a capacity of over 17,280 cubic meters per day. That is more than 200 liters per second, which would be enough to fill an Olympic swimming pool in just over 3 hours. This desalination plant will supply water to over 226,000 inhabitants. Aqualia provides a cutting-edge solution in terms of energy efficiency, low environmental impact, and high reliability, based on its experience across the world and its brand know-how.